How you guys doing? Welcome to AIPin.io, and today I'll be giving you guys a little breakthrough and understanding of what AIPin is, how to use AIPin, how to get started, some examples of the bots that we have, and how to use these bots in our daily lives to make our lives easier. So to start off, you go on the website ai-pin.io. And you just look around the homepage. You can see the first thing you can see some of the codes, some of the AIs that we have generated. You can look at all the different bots that we have. You can look at how the AIs are made, what collaborations that we have with these companies, our media coverage. You guys can just look through the homepage and see what this is about. Now, to get started and how to use these products, this is the most important thing. You click on Get Started for free over here. And you guys can either create an email and password. When I mean by create an email and password, you can type in an email that you have with whatever email that you use and create your email and then create your account. Or like most people like me, I just go on Google and I just log in with Google. So this is how you log in with Google. You just click on login with Google and you get over here straight to the dashboard. Now, this is the dashboard. It has your name displayed over here. It has the bots lit on the left side. It has a lot of the bots shown in the dashboard as well. And basically what you have to do is you can from here just go and do whatever bot you choose to want to use. So today I'll be going over some but in specific, we'll be going over the image generator one. So you guys can see there's so many different bots over here: Learn AI, TaskMate, Legal Use. And these are the categories that you guys can see on the left side. So for example, if I want to go and create an image, I can go in the content and media section and I can look at all these bots that are over here: Show Tune, Headliner, SEO Wizard, Code Generator, Lyric Generator. Today I'm going to go to the image generator. So we click on the image generator, and as you can see, it already gives you some basic prompts as to what there is for the image generator. Got a vision? Let me turn your ideas into eye-catching image. Turn your imagination into art. Let me generate your next visual masterpiece. From words to pictures in seconds. Let's create your custom image now. So let's test this out. How do I use an image generator? So I'll use key terms to describe the type of image I want. I will use colors. I will use descriptive terms on how I want the picture to look like, and I will give it a proper descriptive characteristic of the image for this AI image generator to be able to understand what I'm saying, what I'm asking for, and be able to go and create all that. So for example, if I want to create a village, and in the village there is a big mountain in the back, so I can say, please make me an old style mountain village with old Vikings, with a beautiful scenery in the background, with a beautiful mountain displaying behind them. I would type that and I would click send. And then we wait for the AI to do its thing. It's going to take a minute. You just wait it out. Here you go. And you have an AI image generated of Vikings in a village in the mountains in the back. So as you can see through my descriptive story, and this is a very generic way, we can go a little bit more detailed. We can go, for example, give me a futuristic car 100 years from now with a beautiful interior and an beautiful futuristic looking, never seen design of the car with black and gray colorway in the middle of a luxurious parking lot. Here you go. Next thing you know, it developed a futuristic car in the luxurious parking lot with the distinctive details features that I gave it. So here's an example of the image generator. And if you guys have any more questions, feel free to comment and feel free to let us know. Thank you.